Now बच्चे, fourth question, A, B, C, three partners are there. Their old ratio is given 5:4:3. Now it is given in the question that C retires. The person who will retire, you just have to circle him up. C retired and his share is taken up by A and B in the ratio 3:2. Find out the new ratio. Now in place of sacrificing, in place of equal, it is given different ratio 3:2. This is the gaining ratio. This is what? This is the gaining ratio. Same method will be followed, bache. A's gain. How we will calculate A's gain? 3/12 into 3/5. 3 plus 2, 5 is this. 3 plus 2, 5 will be the LCM. Now 3/12 into 3/5 means 3/5th part of 3/12 will be given to A. This will be 9/60. Now B's gain 3/12 into 2/5 means 2/5th part of 3/12 will be given to B. It will be 6/60. Now this will be added to A's old share and this will be added to B's old share. A's new old share was 5/12 plus 9/60. The new share will be 34/60. B's new old plus gain. Old was 14/12, 4/12 sorry, and the gain will be 6/60. It will be 26/60. Now the new ratio you can write 34/60, 26/60. Now you can at the end you can divide it if it is divisible. 17 is to 13 will be the new ratio. Any doubt, bache? ABC three partners were there. C retired and his share is taken up by A and B in the ratio 3:2. This is the gaining ratio. You will first of all divide this share in the ratio 3:2. Means 3/5th part of 3/12 will be given to A and 2/5th of this part will be given to B. Now this is A's gain. It will be added to A's old share and this is B's gain. It will be added to B's old share. The new ratio will be 34:26 means 17:13. You can also write in this. Similarly, in same proportion, one more question is there of this type. Fifth illustration. ABC, three partners are there. Their share is given 1/4, 2/5, 7/20. So A retires and his share is taken up by B and C in the ratio 1:2. First of all, but a very first step, we have to take the LCM first. The LCM of every ratio should be equal. So first of all, we will take the LCM equal 5, 8 and 7. This is the old ratio. 5, 8 and 7. Now bache, A retires. A retires and his share is taken up by B and C in the ratio 1:2. Similarly, we will do in the same method we will do bache. B's gain 5/20 into 1/3. 3 means 1 plus 2, 3. So 5/60 will be B's gain and C's gain 5/20 into 2/3. 10/60. This is the gain of B and this is the gain of C. Now B's new share old 8/20 plus 5/60 and similarly C's new share it was 7/20 plus 10/60. Getting my point? Old plus gain. Take the LCM 63, 24 plus 5. It will be 29/60. 60, 21 plus 10, 31/60. The new ratio will become 29:31. Same method bache Three partners were there, A, B, C, but the LCM was different. So first step was we have to take the LCM first. Then A retires, his share is taken up by B and C in the ratio 1:2. So first of all, we have divided 5 by 20 into 1 by 3 and 5 by 20 into 2 by 3. This is the gain of B and C. Now old plus gain is the new share. Next question 6. PQR are three partners. 5:3:2 is the ratio. R retires. Now who is retiring? R. His share is entirely taken by P. Now his share is not divided among the two partners. His share is entirely taken by P. So what will be the new ratio? P's new share. Only P will get this share. Earlier P was getting 5 by 10. 5 plus 3 plus 2. 5 by 10 plus 2 by 10 will be given to P only. The ratio of P will be 7 by 10. Q has not gained anything. His ratio will become as it is 3 by 10. The new ratio between P and Q will be 7:3. Getting my point, bache? The whole share of R will be given to P only and nothing will be given to Q. Any doubt, bache? This was the last method of calculating the new profit sharing ratio. One last question is there, 7th. ABC, three partners are there with ratio 7 by 15, 1 by 3, 1 by 5. First of all, what we will do? We will just take the LCM. 7, 5, 3. Okay. B retires and his share is taken up by A and C in the ratio 3:2. Now B retires and his share is taken up by A and C in the ratio 3:2. First of all, we will calculate A's gain. 5 by 15 into 3 by 5. 3 plus 2, 5. It will be bache 15 by 75. C's gain 5 by 15 into 2 by 5. 10 by 75. Now A's new share. Old plus gain. Old plus gain. C's new will be also calculated in the same way. 3 by 15 was the old share of C and 10 by 75 is the gain of C. So old plus gain will be the new share. So what will be the new share? 75, 35 plus 15. It will be 50 by 75 and 75, 5 is 15 plus 10. 25 by 75. This new ratio of A and C will be 50:25, or you can also write in the way 2:1. You can also write in the way 2:1. Now here the question is not ending. This is the part related to retirement. Three partners were there, one is retired. So new ratio we have calculated. Now they have said one thing more. In addition to this, D is admitted for 1/3 share of profit, 1/4 of which was given by A and remaining was taken equally from A and C. Some different type of question is there and this is a very good question. Now bache, assume it as a different question. You are having two partners and their ratio is 2:1. Now they have admitted D for 1/3 share. Now they have admitted D for 1/3 share. 1/4 of which was given by A. 1/4 will be given by A. And remaining, whatever will be the remaining, will be given by A and C equally. Whatever will be the remaining, it will be given by A and C equally. First of all, we have to calculate the remaining portion. What will be the remaining portion? So 1/4 of 1/3 will be 1/12. And total, if we assume 1/3, 1/4. So 3/4 will be given by these two partners remaining. If 1/4 is given by A, then 3/4 is given by A and C in the ratio equal. So what we have to do now is sacrifice. This is related to admission chapter. A is sacrifice, we will calculate now. 1/3 into 1/4, 1/12. C is a sacrifice. 3/4 into 1/2, 3/8. Now A has sacrificed one more time. 3/4 into 1/2, 3/8. This is the total sacrificed made by A. It will be subtracted from A's share, and this is the total sacrifice made by C, and this will be subtracted from C's share.